If you've been considering the 2019 Ram 1500, then take a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LD. The Chevrolet Silverado LD has a rear seat reminder, so drivers are reminded to look in the back seat before exiting the vehicle to ensure that a child has not been left in the vehicle. J.D. Power & Associates rated the Chevrolet Silverado LD first among large light-duty pickups in their 2018 initial quality study. The Chevrolet Silverado LD's 5.3-liter V8 engine produces 50 more horsepower and 114 pound-feet more torque than the Ram 1500's standard 3.6-liter V6 hybrid model. To lower fuel costs and make buying fuel easier, the Chevrolet Silverado LD uses regular unleaded gasoline, while the Ram 1500 V8 engine model requires mid-grade for maximum efficiency, which can cost 5 to 40 cents more per gallon. Come see why the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LD is worth the purchase over the Ram 1500. Try it before you buy it with our free 48-hour test drive. If you buy it, we'll cover it with our free lifetime mechanical warranty.